Hey y'all! I finally cracked the code to financial freedom! No more stressing about bills, no more checking my bank balance before I order food, just straight up money moves. Wanna know how? Simple. I sent a random stranger on Instagram $50. And guess what? I've never seen that money again. Mistake number 1, don't fall for get-rich-quick scams. Look, I know what you're thinking. Broke Bestie. Why would you fall for that? And to that, I say, because I'm tired of being broke, okay? When you've got $7.38 in your account, even the dumbest ideas start looking like genius business opportunities. I sent my hard-earned $50 thinking I was about to be the next financial guru, only for them to hit me back with, "Congrats! Now all you gotta do is get 5 people to join under you and you start making money." Turns out, it was indeed a pyramid scheme. Tip 1. If making money requires you to recruit other broke people instead of selling a real product or service, it's a scam. Okay, so technically I was scammed, but if I could just get 5 people to sign up, I could make my money back, right? So I did what any respectable entrepreneur would do. I hit up every single person in my contacts. Hey, bestie, you trying to be rich? I got this exclusive business opportunity for you. Ma, listen, for just $50, you can be your own boss. Okay, never mind. Maybe my landlord would be interested. Hello, sir, Broke Bestie here. Would you be interested in... Never mind. Tip 2. If your business plan relies on convincing your friends and family to give you money, it's not a business. It's just you being broke and desperate. I really just gave my last $50 to a stranger with a profile pic of a Lambo that I now realize was stolen from Google Images. Oh, look here. Now they want me to upgrade to the VIP package for $100. Oh, you got me twisted. Tip 3. If someone offers you a VIP package to unlock even more riches, just go ahead and block them. Basically, stop falling for get-rich-quick scams on Instagram. Wait, I can turn $20 into $2,000. This one low-key looks legit. Moral of the story? If someone promises you fast money, run. Or at least Google it first. Now hit that like button if you've ever been tempted by a scam, subscribe for more financial shenanigans, and share this with your broke bestie so they don't end up like me. See y'all next time, hopefully with my dignity.